You ever get that feeling that you can't shake the time that sticks around like swords in your teeth? And some aces up your sleeve, and you no idea that you're in deep. I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. If this feeling flows both ways, the sorrow hoping that you'd stay. That the nights when they were saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crying back to you. Ever thought I'd going away? You're out of you, as I always do. When I'm true, is it really yours to fall for somebody new? Now I'm holding you, crawling back to you. So have you got the goods? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it should. Simmer down a buckaroo. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the cusp. I'm trying to kiss you. I don't know if you feel the same as I do, but we could be together if you wanted to. If this feeling flows both ways, the sorrow hoping that you'd stay. That the